How do you use Snapchat sticker search feature? To use the Snapchat sticker search feature, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now, you simply have to go ahead and proceed to capture your snap by tapping on the shutter button from the bottom center. Once you capture your photo or simply record a video, you simply have to now look at the creative menu running vertically down the right edge of your screen. You simply have to go ahead and tap on the sticker icon. Once you select the sticker option, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on this. You'll find the search bar at the top or the magnifying glass icon. You simply have to tap on this. Now type in your desired sticker name. Once you type it, you'll find all the results over here. You simply have to go ahead and tap on any of these stickers of your choice, and there you go. And this is how you can use Snapchat's sticker search. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.